Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am revealing my brand new portrait brush pack for year 2022, and this brush pack has 3 versions. So there's a free version which comes with 10 brushes, and there's the basic version which comes with the full set of 22 brushes plus the PDF, and the third version is the premium version. It comes with the PDF, the 22 brushes, a Procreate file, and also a bonus direct coloring tutorial. So you can get my brand new spanking brushes at my website hazelong.com. It's also available in my Gumroad profile if you want to get them. So these 2 websites are the only place where I share my brushes. So if you get them from anywhere else, I suggest you do not do that because they are not from me. They are probably pirated by someone else, so please just get them from my Gumroad profile or hazelong.com. You can get any of the versions that is available there depending on how much you want to contribute to me and my channel as well. So tomorrow I will actually release another video that demo all the brushes with narration, and I will also provide a sneak peek for the bonus tutorial as well. So remember to check out my channel tomorrow for more updates, and now let me show you the new brushes.